All right, welcome to the channel. Today we're at the dog park in Ording. We're gonna walk along the Puyallup River here, and it's getting to that point where it gets dark, kind of like around 3:34. It's about 12. We're gonna go take some photos and some Instagram reels and shorts and all that good stuff. So let's get going. All right, so here is where the trail starts. Usually people walk, the main downtown trail, but I want to look at this other part that I haven't really visited too often, and it should be pretty cool. It's kind of fall, so we're gonna get some nice leaves. So we're gonna check out this section over here, and then the main stretch is this way. But you can see the moon right here. It's like 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and you can see the moon. Let me see if I can get a shot of that. Right there above the power lines. You can see the moon. Huh. It's pretty neat. So this spot's kind of cool. The Puyallup River is down that way. And then there you can see it says entering Ording. Entering golf cart zone. Kind of a cool spot underneath the bridge. And you can actually ride this spot all the way backwards, like going the other way. So kind of a hidden trail. I think I do have a video there from before, but look at this. Okay, so today's main goal is I'm going to be shooting a lot of like vertical, like upright content for social media. I've been doing that a lot lately. I'm going to do it more today, so you'll see how I kind of do it, I guess. So let's hit the trail. Let's go. And yeah, I really like this spot here. This is cool. You see the little stream down there. I don't know what this is for, but I like it. All right, let's go. Wow, I wanted to look under the bridge real quick. It's pretty cool. There's that little tunnel thing. Huh. I know I still haven't shown you guys the the Puyallup River, but look at that. A lot of sediment and stuff. Oh, check that out. You can see in the tunnel. Wow, pretty cool. I'm glad I came down here. Okay. So I caught some interesting shots coming this way under the bridge, and we'll see how they work out. It kind of looked like there was some fish in the water though. I saw something take off when I walked over, but it's super neat under here. I really like this. I love bridges. So yeah, the water, when I jumped over like the ledge there, something in the water here like shot off. So I don't know if there's like salmon still. I know there was some a couple weeks ago, but I don't know. Let's see. I feel like they'd be slightly over here, so let's go look. So the original thing I had planned was to go the other direction, but I noticed that there's a fish. Check it out. A few weeks ago I had seen some red, like Chinook, I believe, salmon. And then these ones seem to be just kind of brown, but it's a little bit like kind of sad. You can kind of tell it's kind of on its last legs, but I think we might go look over this direction here. I was gonna go the other way, but let's go see if we see any more fish. And I'm gonna leave this guy here and kind of go around. All right, so I walked over a little bit towards the landlocked water. I want to see if there's any fish in here. It seems like these rivers have been moving a lot more than they used to. The Puyallup River and the Carbon River seem like they're kind of moving around. But I don't see any fish in the water, but it's definitely clear. And we're definitely not following what I originally planned on doing, but it's just so pretty out here. So it's possible in that little kind of pond section, like there could have been fish in there, but I was here a couple weeks ago and there was a ton of eagles over by the Carbon River on like the main boarding trail. So I'm gonna go with, if there's like anything stuck in these ponds, they get eaten up, because I saw maybe like, I don't know, 8 or 9 eagles. But yeah, this is the Puyallup River, and then the main Ording Trail that people usually know, that goes along the Carbon River. You can see the moon here too, that's kind of cool. Alright, so this spot's pretty cool. I'm gonna try to get a few upright shots, maybe some slow motions and some 3x4 photos. So yeah, I'm gonna shoot that right now. So now we're heading back the other way. We might be able to see the mountain. It's a sunny day. And yeah, I don't know really how far this goes, but it's nice. Okay, so I was walking by this pond and I noticed some animals in there, and I think there's either beavers or like otters, and they're in that pond that kind of looks like a swamp. But that was pretty neat. Kind of scared them, so maybe on the way back we can see them. Oh, there's a heron in the back too. Huh. Kind of a diverse section for wildlife. Alright, so yeah, there was some, they were probably beavers, but they look kind of like otters. I guess they could have been, I don't know. But they were pretty cool. They were swimming together. I wish I could have got them. Maybe I can go on the other side or something for the pond. I don't know. On the way back, we'll try to get them, because they were pretty cool. Here we got some ducks. They're kind of shy. A lot of the animals seem really shy. I don't know. Alright, we'll stay on the lookout for rare ducks. Okay, so we've been walking for a little bit. I need to walk a little more because I think the sun's gonna go down pretty soon, even though I thought I started early. Yeah, we're gonna just we're gonna try to get like a mile in. So we're walking, let's go. All right, guys. I don't know if you see what I see, but it looks like a little beaver has been kind of busy. Look at that. Whoa. Check that out. Was that a beaver? That's I mean, we're right next to the river, so probably, yeah, it probably was a beaver, right? Are these little prints? I don't know, what do you guys think? Huh. Well, I thought I started early, but you can see the sun's going down. I was originally trying to get to a spot with a bridge, kind of down by Kapowsin, but I think I kind of misjudged the distance. I also noticed that the mountain was over this direction, but it's behind the hill. Like, we're so close to the mountain and the hill here that now you can't even see Mount Rainier, which is kind of interesting. Means we're really close, and the woods are kind of cool. There's some cows over there. Yeah, it's about to get cold though, cause yeah, that sun, it's going. See ya. All right, so I got to this spot. This is pretty cool. Honestly, it reminds me of when you get closer to Mount Rainier, or even on the mountain, and you see the rivers and stuff. But it's gonna get cold. It's gonna get cold. And I did see more beaver activity. So I think that other giant thing we saw was definitely a beaver. Whoa, what's that? All right, I wanted to find that. I wanted to find the log in the water, but there was no spot to go down. Looks like they're doing some weird, look at this in the clouds, or up in the sky. There's some like crossed airplane tracks, I don't know. But it's so pretty out here. I like this section over here. And it looks like there's more like fall trees and stuff. Huh. Does that look kind of strange to anybody else? Look at that. Wow. Okay. Right. So the sun came back a little bit. I guess like a note about hiking in Washington in the late fall and getting to like winter. Make sure you have enough time. Cause like I thought I was early, but guess not. I would have liked to gone as far as I could. I actually wanted to go around the bend because I had a feeling maybe the mountain popped back up, but Have to do it again sometime. Looks like there's some, what kind of ducks are those? Let me see. Looks like we're getting more animal life the further we get out here. Are those just ducks? Whoops. Ah, scared him. But yeah, that's where we came from. Looks like it might be kind of cool up here. Overall, it's been a really good walk. Saw some cool stuff. So yeah. Whoa. This is pretty neat here. Wow. That's pretty. Wow, that's really nice. Wow. You know, just when I thought the sun was just completely gone, we go a little bit further and the sun comes out and it's pretty again. You know? It's just like life. Wow, I really like this here. So cool. Alright guys, so that's going to do it on the Emilio Exploring channel. I took a little break. And now I gotta walk all the way back. I had to put all my kind of snow, cold weather gear on. And yeah, it's gonna be freezing tonight, but if you liked the video, hit that like button, subscribe to see more videos like this. And today was me doing some stuff for Instagram and YouTube Shorts. And the Instagram is Emilio Exploring on Instagram. I do stuff kind of like the YouTube Shorts, but I usually add some music and a little different editing. So yeah, check that out. And I will see you guys next time. This was a lot of fun. Maybe next time I'll take a bike and see how far I can get. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.